How's it going, everybody? William Barnes, Director of Product Strategy here at Parker Offshore, standing in front of our brand new 230 Coastal Elite. So this boat's just over 23 feet long, a 95-gallon fuel tank, a standard 200 comes on it that'll push you around 40 to 42 miles an hour. A great versatile inshore, nearshore boat with high gunnels, a 16-degree dead rise at the transom. Let's go inside and show you all the standard features that make this boat great. Stepping into this 230 Coastal, the first thing you'll notice is how much room you've got in these walkways. For a 23-foot boat, this thing has a ton of space. One of the things that we love to tout at Parker is these forward gunnels. So what this allows is these forward walkways actually extend another 3 or 4 inches outside of where a normal competitor's boat would go. Along with this, we've got 4 standard rod holders around the front, your nice Gimlux cup holders. This one has an optional V-seating in it, an optional Garmin trolling motor. What also comes standard is a combing package all the way around in your select color of upholstery. And moving forward here, we've got a nice 17-gallon live well under this seat, under this nice premium navy upholstery with the Parker Deco. This hardtop also comes standard on all your 230 Coastal Elites. Comes with 4 wet sound speakers in it, Kingfish rod holders, VHF, anchor light, everything that you would want in a boat this size. Like I said, with the gunnels, it's easy for me to walk back and talk through this boat. Moving back to this leaning post, this is a really nice optional leaning post that we offer with a 35-gallon live well, 5 rod holders on the back. The standard is a nice leaning post with 4 rod holders that you can get an optional cooler underneath of. A great option if you want to go to the sandbar. Moving back here, we've got 4 gunnel rod holders, under gunnel rod storage that fits up to about a 7'6" rod. 2 jump seats back here. Again, really comfortable to sit back there. This one has an optional splash well. Features are 250 options with dual power poles. And as you walk around, as you can see, a 23-foot boat with this much space to move around is hard to find on this market. Lastly, moving forward to our console. So this console actually features our twin 12-inch Garmin package. This one comes standard with a single 12-inch Garmin. It comes with our CL5 gauge if you get our hydraulic steering option, binnacle, trim tabs, underwater lights on this boat, wet sound speakers, VHF, and again, your nice Gimlux cup holders. You've got a nice E-box up here in the T-top with your courtesy lights above. And then moving forward, we've got this large console with a porta potty in it, plenty of room for storage of all your stuff for the sandbar. Also go in there to use the bathroom, a nice private place for a 23-foot boat. So as you can see, this 230 Coastal Elite is packed with standard features and options that make this a great hardcore fishing boat and a good inshore sandbar boat. We have our new nationally advertised pricing model where everything is priced. What you see on the website is basically what you're going to pay in the dealership. All of this with the same DNA Parker was built on. Strong construction, built to last. Go build your own, parkerboats.com.